How to fix this account violated WhatsApp is requirement. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Once you're inside the Chrome, click on your profile at the top right corner. Now select the Google account associated with your WhatsApp, and then click on this three dot, tap on Manage your Google account. Head over to Personal Information. In this page, move into Birthday. Click on Birthday at the very top. Well, if your birth date shows that you are below 18, then it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. So in this case, try to change your birth date and make it over 16 or 18. It should definitely help you out. If not, try uninstalling the application WhatsApp. Tap on Hold the app and then click on Remove app. Once again, tap on Delete app. After that, reinstall the application from App Store. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.